Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be trying this headband wig, as you guys can see in the description down below. And for those of you who follow me or has been following me know that I've never tried a headband wig before, so today is gonna be my first day. Alright, and you guys are gonna try it with me. Now this is the package. I opened the package already, but there's a package inside the package, so that's what we'll be opening now. And hold on, pause. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button, like this video, and comment. Tell me what you think about it in the comment section down below. And of course, I'll be dropping the name of the company that I bought the hair from, and also the link, the Amazon link, for you to get it for yourself. So here we go. The bag is nice. It says 100% human hair, and on the back of it, it's giving me instructions as to how I'm supposed to care for this headband wig, or, you know, going forward. So let's see. I didn't actually open this part actually, so this is my first time seeing what is inside the bag. So let's go. Okay. Hold on. This is the wig. To show you guys, but it also has some accessories inside of it. So I got a cap, a wig cap, yes, and this is a band that I can interchange. I guess this is the band I can put around it. Looks nice. And oh wow, I also got this makeup set thing in it, so that's also cute. So we're gonna be using these or adding these to my collection. So let's look at the wig now. I'm not gonna lie, the hair already feels soft. As I said, really it's human hair, so and it's curly, so nice. So this is it. You guys are seeing it close up. Yes. All right, so I'm going to try it now. I'm going to fix my hair. Hold on, it's supposed to come with clips. Yes, it has 3 clips inside, 2 at the side, and this one at the back, and it comes with the thing to adjust. Nice. Okay, so watch me try this wig. It looks nice. Never tried a headband wig before, but let's go. All right. I would recommend this here for persons who would just like to grab something to get out of the house easy and quick and all these things. I believe that this would be a good buy. And the hair is pretty nice and soft. I added water to it to give it that extra curl, you know, because it look a little bit flat. So I just rejuvenated the curls, but it looks good. I think I'll rock it, you know, when I'm going on the road for a quick outing. But that's it. Yeah, I'll definitely be leaving the link for this here in the description down below, and you guys can thank me later. All right, so until next time, guys, bye.